Hello everyone, I'm Guo. Today, our group will demonstrate our final version of our restaurant app. Before we start it, I will tell you why we create this app and the target audience and the, the value of our app. The reason why we create this app because some people who go out often because the business trips or another reason and they cannot find the food they like because they are not familiar with the local restaurant or they cannot connect the local internet. So we create this app. Um, for the value of our app, that is we can use offline model to show the local restaurant to the user to more convenient to them. Okay, let's through our project. And for the for the project for the project retrospect retrospective, and we have complete all the requirement functionality and the number of feature they have, the offline model, the interface and the database, and the synchronization and the security and the API, also proper using the MVVM. There, this part is what we cannot deliver in this uni. For the user group map, we actually we done this part, but because some technical reason we cannot link to our project, so we just leave that. Another one is the at the restaurant image. They also got some reason, some technical reason we cannot be put in our project. And for the search restaurant by type of food, um, we also cannot find any solution to support us to deliver this functionality in our final app. So we create this functionality. Yeah, and then not and not next is the each group members the contribution, and this is me. My team role is project manager, and in this unit I done the manager trail board and the each week portfolios and the each week project video and each week PPT and on and some of offline model and interface the proper using the MVVM and some of database. Next is our group member Woody, and it will describe it. Welcome, Woody.
Hi, I'm Woody. In this app, my team role is developer, so I don't GitHub, offline mode, interface, database, and synchronizations, security, and APIs, and the purpose used or MVVM to build the app. So next is Kimi.
Hi, I'm Kim. I'm developer in this project. I also manage Trello board with Paris, who is project manager. I developed this app with Uri, who is developer too, and we use those functions of our app. I will explain those functions to next slide. From now, I'm going to explain each function of screen. This app is based on MVVM model. For the restaurant list screen, also use the MVVM and data binding functions. Restaurant list and details are stored in model folder and import those data used by get set function. In the view folder, we stored layout and we call data which save in model, then we put those data into list view. Also, we use navigate function to move detailed page. In the view model folder, we called all functions and put that in. Um, for the notice screen, we use the online API, and this page connected with private website to take previous news. For the About This app screen, we use the SQL database. Our group information stored in this database. We use that we set the primary key in group information database to use security function. For the login screen, we connect with Google account to provide security issues. For the check network screen, we use the optional function which is check network. When user click these buttons, user can know this machine connected with internet or not. From now on, Paris continued to talk about Trello board.
Hi, this is our Trello board snapshot, and currently we are complete all the Trello board cards, and this is our Trello board link put in here, and this is Trello board snapshot. You can see the backlog and doing and to do is always empty. This is because we move all the card into done list. And in the down list, you can see many of the screen, and you can collect the card and see the detail of what we done, what kind of requirement we done in the Trello. Um, and next is the GitHub history. Uh, for GitHub, we upload all the code to the GitHub, and we also upload the code to GitHub every week. And this is a snapshot for the GitHub history. You can see they got many time upload, and for uh, the 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 very new version, that is the 26th of September 2018. This one is the very new version, the final version. And here is a GitHub link. You can go to the link and download it and check our work. And this is our Trello board here. And you can see the backlog to do and doing all is empty. And this is a done list. You can see lots of lists. And you can see, for example, the uploading screen, click it, and it will go into the description, and they will show you the UI requirement here and the code basic on some function. And the another card is same. And the next one is the GitHub. This is GitHub. You can see they got many time of upload, and you can download by here, and also can copy the link and download it. And yeah, next we'll welcome the Woody to demonstrate our app.
Hi, I'm Woody again. So in this app, it has many features here. For example, offline mode, beautiful interface, local database, API online database, synchronizations, network check, and the purpose used MVVM to create in this app. So I will show our app for you now. In this app, the first page is the main page. It have the navigation button in this page. The button can easy to lead the user to go other page. The first button is show the restaurant list. So inside the first button is show the restaurant list. Uh, you can find some different type of the restaurant here, such as Chinese food, uh, Australian food. So inside you can see more detail on the restaurant. So about open hours, price, and address or the restaurant name. So next is about the online API. User can use can watch the news and the notification of the restaurant, but the user need to link the internet first. So such as the 15% off the promotions or the restaurant today is open or not. So then it's about this app list. In this list, we got all app developer here. Yeah. So Kim, Paris, Woody, you can see here. Okay. Next one is the login function. It can provide more safety and unlock more feature or some function here. If you log in, it's linking to the Google account. So finally is the check network. It is linking is about your devices is linking the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. So also in this app can run on iOS system and Android system. So in the UX user experience, I have listened some users to use this app and they think using the button for doing the navigation is very good. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, this is our GitHub link and video link. The GitHub link here and Trello here. And for video link, I will upload this recording into the YouTube and get the link I will put in here. And yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you.